guys, Ride Performance here. So we're back on my rusty see-through chassis, and right now I realized we're going to repair these body mounts. I've been using a drill as well as a flat disc on the tops. Obviously the right angle with the flat disc is going to be one of your best bets for leveling something like this off. So you have that nice and shiny, and then I was cleaning up the inside so I can go ahead and get some tacks going. Same here, we got this all shiny flat disc and then drill. And if you notice, actually, so this guy is a piece of box tubing that has been set in and tacked into place. Now all I have to do is I'm going to stick him, not MIG. I think the stick's going to be a little bit more well suited. That's what Corvette used from factory. So we're going to stick weld this and then as well and hit this down. Whenever you get it hot, this metal will move, and then we can get that nice finished seamless weld, and you'll never even know this was here. This guy I'm welding in over here. And then I will also show you, I got bird cages that are similar to this guy, so I can weld those in. So the body mount has something to thread into. And then I've been prepping these guys. These guys are pretty weak, I'm not going to lie to you guys. It should be good whenever I lay my body mount, which I'm going to show you guys in a second, on top of it, but I may also opt to add some more reinforcement here. I'm thinking maybe angle iron on the sides. Maybe I should put a piece of reinforcement around the front lip here, maybe some round stock steel, but I'll show you guys what I do. And last but not least, we have this little guy back here. This is actually recycled from a project. This came from a flood door. This is like 1/4 inch, if not more, steel. I've tacked that in, and it had some decent burn. And then I'm gonna stick weld and really build up some weld around it. Put this whole plate in here to really reinforce this whole corner area that kind of got a little bit worrisome with the rust holes.